That song was a beautiful song.
Pray for us.
I'm not even going to lie. It was a beautiful song.
Pray for me.
For the Soweto choir. The song carry weight.
Very deep song. Very emotional song.
Yeah.
But the message behind the song, you get your own message. Unto pray for me. You know, more led to pray for each other. Very, very important, you know. And I can't be like headmaster like this. Just
like teacher.
Yeah. All those boys, they serve food.
Teacher, this one there, it be like steward.
Yeah. They pour
What's
wine.
they call the female of steward?
Stewardess. They pour wine. Sir, you want some?
I say they want UK restaurant.
Yeah, not those ones. They smile for us, they can't go back, they say, see him big head.
Yeah.
Una welcome, welcome on top of the party show. How on our weekend? Come on, this glass. Make I look young small. I look over responsible. They say, now your camera be my own camera, now your own for today.
Why?
They just
Why a
change
cross
them.
intercession?
I don't know. Don't give us cross eye.
Don't give us cross eye.
Our eye make it cross like this. All right. So una welcome on top of the late night show. On top of the party.
Now. Oh yeah now.
No, nah, not be anything.
Oh yeah now.
It's just cross head. Was a cross in the head somewhere. Oh yeah, welcome everybody.
All right, welcome everybody. With the Teresa Salutes, they greet you. Welcome to Paddy Show. And for people who say they just wow.
They come and fix you.
Yeah.
You know me, I'll give you shot.
Someone cannot play with you. Don't give me the glass. Just like that. Just change them.
Just letting you know, though.
All right, I greet everybody. And for those of us who just they come, you know, some people now every day now new people they come on top of the matter.
Yes.
You see, this Paddy show, right?
Yes.
Is a show where, wow, is a show. Because I don't really feel describe them. I don't feel explain what's in Paddy.
Where topical issues are discussed.
In the most untropical way.
Yes. Oh, the film, that is it.
Yes.
You understand? We give them yarn to tell you about different crazy things that happen around the world.
Yeah.
Beautiful things that happen around the world, even inside Nigeria. All right? And at the same time, like we talk, you know, tropical gist.
We carry
in tropical way.
Yeah. We carry pictures, lovely pictures, can show you videos. See, basically
funny videos.
This Paddy.
Yes.
Now to make you understand, say, see, you cannot come and go and die.
Kill yourself.
The Paddy show is to allow you to be happy.
Yes.
It didn't really matter what your situation is. When you see these two people, you just say, what to today? They have come again. They have come again, you know, and you'll be happy.
You just
that is it.
For the next 30 minutes or the next 25 minutes, you just stay here to just make sure, see, we add some flavor to your life.
Be happy show.
Yes, exactly. Be happy show.
Yeah.
Paddy, a.k.a. the happy show.
Yeah.
You understand?
That is it.
Yes, that is it.
That's what we are here for.
If you are there, you are looking for political talk and
don't come here.
Not be here.
Because even if we talk about politics, we carry it from a very
humorous angle.
Yes, we treat life-threatening issues as non-threatening. Okay, you feel you feel this English.
Life-threatening issues
as non-threatening. Yeah.
Finish.
That is it.
If you don't understand any other explanation,
you don't understand anything again. Don't worry.
Sorry, just go and condense the condensed
brain.
You understand? It's not your puzzle. Amen.
People get talent.
People get
talent.
No, maybe we just leave it there. People we get these things.
That's why they say when you sabi do something, be the best at what you do. Because there's always a replacement for you, whether you like it or yes. It's not really an option.
Very, very deep. If you think say you too good for that thing way they do,
you go shock.
And you dey bragado,
you go shock.
It go shock you. The next person will come, fit do and pass you.
You go shock.
You think you are a wonderful husband, husband everywhere, so you are the best husband, best wife. You go shock. You say a best test this somewhere. If you go to do say because I mean, you'll be shocked. So
I just want to tell you that as a professional, hold your work well.
And do it
because
well.
there's always somebody that can fill your space.
Exactly.
Nobody is irreplaceable, just so you know. Nobody.
People
they walk.
People day. Ladies and gentlemen, now time for Yarn the Yarn.
Oh, and it's my picture. He's so upset.
Ladies and gentlemen. We go go change this thing.
Is the root
We have to
of
change it.
evil.
I mean, for the past 1 year going,
Somebody jealous
now only my
me.
word for that place. How about
Somebody
me?
jealous
At least for use me, do laugh, they laugh. Make for
Somebody
balance.
jealous
Jeff,
me
if you don't
because
replace
of
this
my
thing,
picture.
I'm no longer doing party
I
again.
will not
You'll be
mind
party
them.
show. Finish.
I will not mind them.
Waiting.
I will not mind them because you go pick up. Anyway, Yandy, so I want to tell you that in China, I go show you so I know be your mate. I want to tell you that in China, there's this particular girl. Her name is Zhen Qing. Cheing. Come on, dear.
Oniro.
This particular Sheng.
What's your name?
Sheng Jin.
Yes.
Zhen Qing. She be 25 years old. And this girl, she get OCD.
OCD.
You know OCD? Those people will be say, they know they like see dirty. Any small dirty like this, they feel clean their destiny. Come on. Any small thing.
They can wash away your sin.
Oh no. They know they like to arrange any small thing, arrange. Yeah. They feel very scatter because they arrange something you scatter.
Yes.
They feel very scatter. Now she gets small OCD. She gets small traces of OCD. No, be she don't work as nanny before. This particular person, and she don't also work for as salesperson for inside boutique. But now, as she they work as a nanny, one of her clients where she they work for. That one, her cupboard, the way she take arrange the clothes, everything just destroy. You understand? So part of the thing can't irritate her. Now she can't begin arrange the woman cupboard. Now the woman can't look her say, this the way they do. You know, say if it turn on to work, just be an official wardrobe organizer. As I talk to you now, between 2015 and now, she don't get over 100 clients.
Wow.
And now rich people cupboard, the ones who pay for them. Because she said in India, most people are impetus. They know they really get time for the environment of where they stay. In China, rather, they are all about making more money. So what should they do? Be say, should they help them arrange their cupboard? Yes. And she collects about 100 yuan per 3 feet cupboard.
Wow.
So if your cupboard is high, you go pay like 200 yuan. You understand? She said it takes her 3 hours to arrange a cupboard. But it gets on sorry case. So if you say 9 hours, she still on top of the
no, some people cupboard na dustbin.
Yes, now.
Not
so as me and you they talk now, this her obsessive compulsive disorder now, so then they call them OCD.
OCD, yeah.
This her OCD now, don't they make her money?
Yeah, so you can turn that thing where it be like issue for you into money making things.
Yes.
I mean, just think I'm on your own pee. Whatever it is you they go through, or someone they say you get as problem, if you turn them around for yourself.
Actually, her name is Deng Mei.
Then you see yourself and she not question.
Her name is Deng Mei.
Deng Mei.
For inside Chinese.
Anyway,
China.
Enough of it. Thank you very much. Come back to it. But the woman, very, very important information.
Yes.
You understand? Whatever
and she
it is
makes
where
lots
you get,
of money. Do you know how much 100 yuan is?
It's
She makes money.
I mean, at least she don't go sell
By
things.
arranging people cupboard.
You are there.
And she enjoys it because she know they like dirty. Until you can make money.
You are there. You probably have one kind thing. Maybe you don't know, so you shall be vexed. You shall be just vexed, unnecessary vex. You can be a boxer.
Yeah.
You understand? You just get that ring. Just put glove for hand. Next, vex. My brother, you never know where you can go to in your life with that thing where they say that disorder for you. Think about it. You understand me now? And you might be the best.
Yeah. Because this is my calling.
Yes.
They talk for Africa.
So now, you know, while people get work, some people they look, say, Lord my God, I'm tired of my work. Work.
I'm tired of my work.
This particular French guy, the guy all look one day say, come, make him go sue in former Oga, meaning say the guy not did that work again. But before they bounce him for the work, he all wake up one day say, come, I don't like my job anymore. They say, what happened? He say, my job is boring. Uncle? My job is boring. Now I want to sue my Oga because my job is boring. People, they get reason why they sue Oga or come up for office. Maybe the job, no, they give you fulfillment. Maybe the job itself, they steal your time. Maybe the job itself, no, they give you better salary. But say, my job is boring. They say why the guy they work before, as in the kind of work where the guy they work before. Many responsibilities they had. No, but small, they can't come more responsibility for your hand. They come more responsibility for your hand. Last, they all live with some small work to they do for the office. But the money still remains the same. They don't cut the salary. Now my guy wake up one day say, I want to go and sue my boss.
Why?
because his job is boring.
Ha.
Last now, so the follow now they talk now. He say he go into depression. He say who him be before for the office, no come be that person again. Then they strip him of all a rep we ain't get for the office. So now I they go sue my Oga for depression. Now
You know,
court look and say, Oga, Jeko react me.
rest.
Eh?
Oga, rest. You know the thing be say, funny enough, you know, because we as Nigerians, we know they to take some of these things important. Do you understand? The truth be say, 90% you supposed to go break, abi? Okay, make I talk and real quick. The thing be say, a lot of people are depressed from their work. You know, say some people, as they wake up for morning, know say now work and they go, so depression will just come.
It happen. It happen. And our own economy and their own for that side, not to be the same. Our own, people, they work because just to make ends meet.
No be say they really like waiting that they do. 90% of people for this country, if they say, if they get option, if they get option, all of them go resign today.
God, thank you, sir. You do the one I like.
Nah.
God, thank you, sir. They do the one I like.
Me, I don't even do another one. You know, say as they talk.
What you want to go?
What I want to do?
Don't go put it to be banker.
My brother, depression will kill me.
Oh, depression will
kill me.
We finish our
this
destiny.
This talking matter is my calling.
So we thank God
that
for a talking motive.
Yeah.
All right.
What?
It's motive.
Talking motive.
Break, please.
Wow.
It's our ministry.
Talking motive.
Talking, yeah.
We
talking.
motively talk.
Yes. All right, so now welcome back. And that picture where you see just now, decode it by yourself. Thank you very much. We loved you. So, Mayos, the final gist we'll get for them on top and the
Oh,
this Molly girl. Tell them the story.
It's
a
really,
something.
it's quite appalling.
Yes.
What's appalling?
Yes, appalling.
You enter?
And I'm saying, hey, no, you enter.
You enter. Okay, it's quite appalling.
Yeah.
You see, this little girl of how many months old?
4 months.
About 4 months old.
months
She then born out with a rare medical condition. Now, this medical condition, make I call them for you. Jackie and Matt Moravik, from Kalamazoo, Michigan. Then been get this 4-year-old daughter, where we say them born out with a rare condition. Her name na Elsie Moravik, and they call her Little Elsie. Now Elsie, she get this rare disability where they call proximal femoral focal deficiency. That's PFFD. Now, what in this PFFD be say? They make the right leg today shorter.
One leg go short past one
go
leg.
get as they be. Now so it
no
be.
go balance.
But then get 2 options where they give them. They say is either may they amputate the leg, or may she use prosthesis. Prosthesis now that thing where then they wear that artificial leg where then they wear. But the parents can't see another 3rd option when they meet leg strengthening experts. We tell them say another option now. A total of 300 times in 4 months, they will need to keep breaking her leg, to rearrange the bone, breaking her leg, because it will make the leg grow by about 4 inches. Now the parents can't talk, say, it may make them feel like, say, they're about to kill their daughter. But the fact is that
it's the
once
best
they
decision.
do them, it's the best decision, because once they do them, her leg goes strengthen.
It go balance later.
It will get longer, but the baby will go through
a lot of pain.
And they don't want they use too much analgesic, make pikin no grow, they addicted
to analgesics.
Exactly. Because you go break the pikin leg 3 times in a day. 3 times in a day, because it has to make a total of 300 times in 4 months. My God, Ogolo, that's a lot. For a 4-month-old baby.
Every day breaking of leg. Nothing prayer cannot do. Hey. Oh, nothing prayer cannot do. Nothing prayer cannot do. Nothing prayer cannot do. Let God be God on her matter. All right? But my wife, I don't say you enter into a depressed mood.
Yeah.
You understand? But she will come out strong. It ain't just it reduce your ginger.
Not to talk of the surgeries where she go still do.
Yeah.
They go still put something where she go they screw they
one iron
to comot her femur and detach it from her tibia. For God's sake, from her tibia bones. Oh my God.
But at the end of the day, you say this thing what they do it for one of my friends for secondary school. And the boy talks, that one, if you see bow leg where the boy gets when he's small,
To straighten them.
But to straighten them small at least, they can't do that one, put iron on it. The guy, they always show me the place where iron pass because they can't come out and later. But now the boy is better. If you see the leg almost straight, but you say the liver and one time when it's small, in leg for me like, oh, you understand? So anyway, now for the future of the Pekin, I believe though they will go through the pain right now, but later everything will still bam and make so much brain. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, now time for
Laugh the Laugh.
You know what I say? I beg, make I follow you chop. You run. Eh? Uncle, what's up to you? For everything where the guy is swallow, my throat they pay me. My throat they pay me for the guy. I beg go. This guy then they call and come chop. Say, bros, come chop. Oh. Never. Don't try it. If not, you're not finished. With one hand, oh, your bowl of eba don't finish. Blagada.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, on Instagram at Wazobia TVNG, at Mayowa Echo on Instagram, at Ogbolo on top Instagram, and then on top Twitter at Mayowa Lambe and at Funny Ogbolo. If you go on top youtube.com/Wazobia TVNG, you go search for Paddy, and we did there for you. Even on top Facebook, face us with your problems. It's okay. Facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG, and you go search for Paddy. You can see us for there. You know, as my voice just be like music. You feel like my
Ladies and gentlemen.
That's your own, just spoil everything. Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we go say make una get better day, okay? And make sure say una just did all right to yourself, all right?
Oh, shit, bad,
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.